Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Today's video, I just wanted to show you a project we've been working on for the past few weeks, trying to get sort of all set up. No, we haven't had a video out sort of in the past few weeks as well. Again, been quite busy with quite a few projects and sort of life as it goes. But as we come down here, I just wanted to kind of take you over to it, and you might be getting a glimpse of it now. So we finally got our summer house up, which we'll take a look at in a minute here. I will be doing a full garden tour. Unfortunately, there's still quite a bit of weeds and things to get out of the garden still before I really kind of, again, like to show you kind of in what I think will be the kind of best for mid-July. But briefly, I just wanted to take you down and show you the new summer house that we put in here. I'm also going to add a clip on towards the end of the video of when Tom from Palms and Exotics came to visit the garden briefly. We've got a collaboration video coming out on his channel, so keep an eye out for that. Nice little trip around B&M with Tom and I. Quite a laugh, and hope you guys will find that interesting, but I'll certainly let you know when that is out and available. But just as we come down here, so this is a 20 by 8 foot summer house here. Now we've been talking about this for quite some time, getting this in. We finally got it up. It has been sort of in the garden on the lawn for a good few weeks now. Part of the reason being, and again, if you've a follower of the channel, you've been watching for a while, you may remember in this back heart of the garden here, we did have a blue shed. Interesting enough, had a BrewDog sign on it, if you're one of the ones that was very eagle-eyed. But yeah, that has gone. Part of the issue with getting this in really was the fact of this side where the shed was, the blue shed, was about nearly a foot higher to the patio here. We also had to extend the patio out and unfortunately lose one of the holes in the mini golf course, but we do have plans for that area, which is going to change, which you'll see in a video update soon. But finally, we have got it sort of up and erected. Still a lot to do. Patio down here as well. You can see this is in sort of the arid bed, sort of planning to be the arid area of the garden. So we've got our eucalyptus Francis Blue. We've also got our eucalyptus gunnii. Sorry, not gunnii. This is a Azor. This is a dwarf version. Again, I'm trying to create a little bit of a kind of canopy up here, something evergreen. And I'm thinking down here again to maybe build a kind of raised structure of rock, maybe another water feature, something like that. But with that said, yeah, all plans at the moment, and definitely any sort of thoughts or suggestions for this area here, definitely put them down in the comment section below. You can see with the butia here and the water feature, it does give us something, and once we get the electrics to this, we'll be able to get this fully running at night as well with a full lighting system and everything as well. Again, just kind of creating a nice atmosphere when you're sat in here. Now, this summer house, basically kind of the thoughts with this and part of what our ideas are is we're going to be using this as almost like a kind of cinema entertainment room, a bit of a bar, just getting sort of a projector screen and these types of things eventually, all down the line, of course, just kind of plans at the moment, but just really somewhere we can kind of come out from the house, you know, kind of get away from it, still kind of have, you know, the kind of tropical look around. You get the kind of views as you're looking out, but feel a little bit like you're kind of, you know, kind of away. And certainly when my wife want to get away from the kids for a bit, we can go lock ourselves in here. But with that said, let's take a quick look in, and then we'll jump to the clip of Tom and I in here. And again, it's still under construction, and fortunately the glass on this, I don't think they provided the right fixings. I've had to kind of just makeshift fixings until I can figure out exactly what I'm going to do. It's a bit of a shame. I've not got the center bit in the door here yet, or the panes up in the doors. Again, trying to figure out what to do as it didn't really come with the right fixings on it. You can see it's really bare at the moment. We just shoved sort of old sofa that we had in storage up here. I'll come to this end and try not to thing. You can see how long we're going for here. It's quite a long one. Again, 8 foot being a little bit kind of, again, a bit of a hallway, but at the same point, you know, a lot of it is, the aspect is going to be looking out. And again, I need to kind of clean the glass on here, but once again, it's up. Got it up today, finally finished, and well, almost finished. Roof felting all gone on and everything else. Got still, well, to be fair, a lot to do on here. But again, you can kind of see the aspect as you're sitting in here. This little area here is going to have some of the kind of bar stuff. Be a bit more of the bar area so that, again, can be sitting out, looking out over the garden. Got a nice view down the path all the way over to the bar area. So yeah, I think it's hopefully going to all come together. Again, as you can see, lots of mess around the garden as we've been trying to kind of sort through all the bits, kind of get our things on. You can see the water feature just here. Again, the original plan was to put it here because of the summer house going here. So once again, I need to find some lighting for that. Tidy up the edges here where I've pulled the path in, and we're going to take that solar panel for it and probably put it alongside that one there on the climbing frame, and at least get some sort of use out of the climbing frame there. But yeah, just with that said, I'll jump to the clip of Tom and I. I've got Tom from Palms and Exotics here with me.
Hello.
We've got a collaboration video coming out on his channel. Nice little walk around in the magical B&M that I normally go to. So certainly stay tuned for that. Tom,
I need probably about a week to edit. We've got about 6 hours of footage. We've been all day.
Big conference calls before it and everything. We got all the managers on board. You know, it was a big event. I think we've managed to crack it here. And it was good to see Tom, and I think we're going to try and fit a yucca into his boot. We will try and get an update on that if we do get it in there. Will we get it in? Who knows? You wouldn't believe it, but it's actually in.
Would you mind keeping hold of all of my stuff for a bit?
Yeah, we'll just mail this all up to you then, yeah?
Thank you very much.
Hope you guys enjoyed that clip, and certainly stay tuned for Tom's video coming out on his channel soon. But with that said, of course, thanks for watching. Check out the friends of the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.